Hi friends, welcome to Nandhinis recipe. Today I decided to do a recipe with a common ingredient that we have at our home. Yes, I decided to do a recipe with curd. That is special curd rice recipe, which is nothing but a restaurant style. When talking about curd is a probiotic food that is good for stomach and it is rich in antioxidants and calcium. Now let's get started. Let's see the ingredients first. I have listed the ingredients required for making the special curd rice recipe. For the complete details of the ingredients used in the recipe, check out my blog link given in the description box. To a well-heated pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Roast the dry grapes and the cashew nuts well. After roasting them well, keep it aside and let it get cooled down. To the same heated pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, add half tablespoon of mustard seeds, half tablespoon of urad dal, half tablespoon of Bengal gram. Saute them well, and when the mustard seeds start to splash, add the roughly chopped onions to the pan. Onion is definitely a good combination for curd and it gives crunchiness to the special curd rice. Add finely chopped green chilies. If you have curry leaves, add them as well. Saute the onions and you do not need to over fry any of the ingredients. At the same time, I have pressure cooked the rice for about 4 to 5 whistles in medium-low flame. Smash the rice well and add it to the heated pan along with the ingredients and mix it well such that the rice along with the ingredients combine well together. Add a pinch of asofoteda to the smashed rice. Saute the rice for about 2 minutes along with the ingredients and transfer it to a bowl. I have taken 1 cup of curd, mix them well, and I am going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. The butter is the one that will give a nice creamy texture to our special curd rice. Add finely chopped coriander leaves. Add finely chopped ginger to the curd rice and combine well such that the coriander leaf and the ginger gets mixed well together with the curd rice. So along with it I am going to add a small cup of milk, say about 100 ml. So I have used milk here to reduce the sour taste of the curd. Finally, complete the dish by adding a small cup of pomegranate and the ghee roasted cashews and dry grapes. Now our nice creamy special curd rice is ready to be served. This is definitely a yum dish along with cashews and dry grapes. Now I am going to transfer this to a bowl. Do try this special curd rice recipe, and this is a kind of quick lunch recipe, especially if you are traveling. You can do this recipe within 10 minutes. It is really time saving. At the same time, a delicious dish. I will come with quick easy recipe in my next video. Subscribe to my channel. Your subscription values a lot to me. Hit a thumbs up if you like this recipe and do share it with your friends and family members. Thank you.